Is Sagapo truly a legit platform, or are they a scam platform? So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my take on Sagapo. If it's actually a legit platform, maybe, or it's actually a scam now, because it is a platform that have been here for over 2 years, and several YouTubers have been talking about how you can earn up to 1,000 naira daily with this naira platform, with the Nairaworkers platform. So I'm going to be sharing with you every details I know about this platform, and I'll be going with you through step by step this platform to show you if it's actually legit, or if they are a scam, if they actually pay you up to 1,000 naira per day with this platform. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Chidi Finance, and I create videos around making money online. I talk about affiliate marketing, talk about freelancing, talk about online jobs that pay you money daily. So if you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on the bell icon to get notified once I release more videos. Again, smash the like button so that this video can get to more people and they can see it. So let's get right into the video. So on my screen now, you can see Nairaworkers. So Nairaworkers, as we all know, Nairaworkers is a platform that pays you to perform simple tasks like Instagram follows, signing up to applications, taking simple surveys, liking, commenting on posts in Instagram, on Facebook, on social media. So you can get paid from 7 naira to as high as 500 naira per activity you perform on this platform. So I want to share with you. I'm going to be going through the detail of taking some of these jobs to check, to show you if they actually pay or they don't pay, if they're still paying their users, or is that just a scam. So here on my screen you can see there are several available jobs. You can see available jobs you can actually do on this platform and get paid. There are two tabs here. There is a most recent tab. This one shows you the list of tasks you can actually do, the list of tasks that you can actually do and get paid. These ones that were recently updated, you can do this and get paid. Then another section is the highest paying tax. So here you can see tax that pay you from 500 naira to even up to 1,000 naira per tax you take on this platform, and you can easily do this tax and get paid instantly. So there are several of them, the tax here. So I'll be going over. You can see my dashboard. You can see here, this is my dashboard. You can see I've been able to earn, for the past few days I've been able to earn 498 naira. My total balance is 500 naira. I've performed about 6 tasks, and you can see I performed about 6. I've satisfied 6 tasks, and I have 7.2 naira pending funds. I have a 100% success rate. So you can see we are in the highest paying tab. You can see this particular job is paying you the equivalent of 600 naira just to participate in this tax. And this other one here is paying you 450 naira. This other one here is paying you 400 naira. This other one is paying you 297 naira. This other one is paying you 310 naira. So you can actually see if I'm able to perform just 2 or 3 tasks here, I will be able to earn up to 1,000 naira with the Nairaworkers platform. You can see 599 naira plus 450 naira. Let's say I'm able to take this tax. So let's calculate how much I'll be earning. So if I'm able to take this tax, I have 599 naira plus 450 naira plus, okay, just the two of them, I've been able to make 1,000 naira. If I'm able to extend to, let's say I make it 3 jobs plus 400 naira, that is 1,449 naira a day, or even not even per day. If I'm able to do this job, it doesn't take more than an hour to perform some of the jobs here. You can see them there, and there are several of them. So if I'm able to take all of these jobs per day, I can be racking up to 2,000 to even 3,000 naira pay for these jobs. So you can see actually the offers are actually very, very great, and you can actually make money. So how do you make money from this? This one says L credit. It says withdraw instant 1,000 naira from the app plus 599 naira from me. If you already have an account with L credit, this job is not for you. Okay, so I'll go down. I think I have an L credit account, so I don't need it. I don't know if I have Sha. Here it says L credit. You can see these 3 jobs are L credit. This other one is Palm Pay, only new users. You can see. Don't worry, I'll be taking one of the jobs so that you see how the process looks like. This one says sign up on Popo Live, ladies and new users only. This one says Palm Pay, Easy Tax, new users only, cheaper cash, and so on and so forth. So there are several of them. So if I want to perform any of these, what I'll just do is I'll come here to view job, click on them so that I'll know what the terms and conditions are, what is required for me to succeed with this particular job. You can see job details here. So I want to see what I need to do to be able to earn 599 naira from this job. So what is expected from workers? Your friend invites you to use L credit. Register now to receive 100 naira cash voucher immediately. You successfully borrow money, you can withdraw 1000 naira cash reward instant immediately and 599 naira from me when your proof of job has been completed. Your proof of job completion has been approved. So you see here it says what they want me to do is to register to the L credit app. Register this to this L credit app. Once I register, I'm going to receive 100 naira first of all. Then if I'm able to borrow, you can see if you successfully borrow, if I'm able to borrow money on the app. So they want me to register and also borrow money. If I'm able to borrow money on the app, you can withdraw 1000 naira cash reward instantly. So if I'm able to borrow, I'll be getting 1000 naira cash reward. And for this job, I'll also be paid 599 naira. So all the money I'm going to be making from this platform, if I'm to calculate it, if it is actually right, I'll be earning 100 naira cash voucher for signing up, then 1000 naira for borrowing, then 599 naira for performing this tax. So I have 1,699 naira for just this particular tax alone. This is actually a very great way to make money. If you don't have this particular app, if you are not signed up to this app, this is a great way you can actually make money from this particular platform. So how do I now get started? It says here, click the link below. So what I'll just do today, I'll come and click on this link. If I click on this link, it's going to take me to Play Store. I'm going to download the app. It says here, enter your mobile phone number, click on get verification code and put the code. Download the app and complete your registration. Request for a loan of 3,000 naira. So they want me to request for a loan of 3,000 naira. If you want more, you can increase to the amount you want. They will charge you, but don't worry, your bonuses will cover up. If you want, you can increase the amount. So the share should request for a loan of 3,000 naira. Now, a lot of us are actually looking for ways to earn money. So if I can perform this task and get 3,000 naira loan, which I can actually pay back, then it's actually a great way to make money. After the loan approval, you will see my account at the bottom of the app. Click on it and click on cash coupon. Withdraw your 1,000 naira to your account. Wow, this is great. On approval of your tax year, I will pay you 599 naira instantly. Note, you must submit the required proof. So that is what is expected of us. So what are the required proofs? So I'll come down here to know what I'm to submit after doing this tax. Say required proof that the tax was finished. I will have to submit my phone number and a screenshot showing the amount of money I've been able to borrow. And they showed here a screenshot a sample of the screenshot I need to upload. So you can see, this is exactly what I need to upload here. 3,000 naira. I'll just screenshot where I requested for 3,000 naira loan, and it was given to me. So I think this is actually very great. It's actually a great way to make money. So Nairaworkers is, if I'm able to do all of this tax, then there's a possibility I'm going to get paid this amount. So what I'll do here is, once I see the required screenshot, once I've been able to do the tax, I have to do the tax first for me to get paid. Your phone number and screenshot showing the amount you borrow. So I'll just come here, type my phone number. That's what they say they want, 081 234, then just this. I hope this is correct. 2 4 6 8 10 11. So this is it, my phone number. That's not my phone number actually, it's a random phone number I'm using. So I now click on upload proof. So once I'm able to request for it, I'll just screenshot it on my phone, then go to choose file, get the screenshot and upload it. Once I upload it, I'll now come here to click on submit proof. Once I click on submit proof, I'll have to wait for, I think it takes 48 hours for this job to be approved. 48 hours, so that the person the employer, this is the name of the employer here. This is the name of the employer, Nairaworkers 99. The employer would get to see my submitted job and will now award me the payment. So you can see here. So that's just how it is. And once I do that, I actually get paid. If it doesn't pay me, I can also, now once you do the job, you will see here where it is showing you job currently running to show that you have done the job. And after 48 hours, if the person have not paid you, or has not responded to you, you can report. And once you click on report, the Nairaworkers platform would talk to him, and you actually get your money back. So I've been using this platform for about a year now, and they have been paying seriously. So I really don't see why I would say this platform is fake. They are not fake, they're actually paying. You can see here some of the jobs I've done and how much I've been able to make. So let me go to my wallet. Let me click on my wallet so that you can see. This is my wallet. So this one here, tax earning 86 naira. This one here is my recent tax earning. Let me see if I can get a breakdown of this. Okay, tax earning, let me see. I was able to withdraw around 3,000 plus last year. You can see earnings from completed jobs. So this one here, this is what I've earned from my recent job. 86 naira. You can see it here. And I was able to refer some of my friends. I've been able to earn 412 naira, and I have a job that has been paying. I've not even reported this person. He has not paid me for the job I did. You can see I'm not paying for the job I did. So I have 7 naira. Total I have 501 naira on this platform. And to be able to withdraw, if I just come here to withdraw my earnings, is actually very simple. Just click on withdraw earnings. So you can see it shows you here. You can withdraw your earning once you earn over 1,990. That's the equivalent of 2,000 naira. So I have to withdraw 2,000 naira to be able to withdraw from this. I have to earn up to 2,000 naira, 1,999 naira, which is the equivalent of 2,000 naira, to be able to withdraw. And withdrawals are processed every Friday. So if today is Monday, I have to wait till Friday to get my payment. And it says here, please make sure your bank details are updated in your profile. So I'll just come to my profile. So you can see I'll come down. You can see this is my bank name, this is my account number, this is the bank I use. So it says, and to be able to withdraw, it's only going to withdraw your earnings. So you can see that earning I showed I have 86 naira. It says it's showing me you are yet to reach the minimum withdrawal amount. So I have to wait till I get to 2,000 naira to be able to click. When I come here, I'll click on submit, because if I've done more than 2,000, I can just come type more than 2,000 naira, and the money will be paid on a Friday. So how do you now input your bank details? So what we'll just do here is come here, click on profile. Please make sure your bank details are updated in your profile. So I'll click on profile, come here where my details are. You can see this is my username, this is my Nairaworkers username. Don't worry, I'm going to be dropping the link to this website in the description below. So just go there, click on the link, and you sign up to Nairaworkers if you don't have an account, so that you can actually start earning money with this particular platform. This is my username, this is my ID, my email, phone number. You see, I joined about a year ago, 2nd of January. So this is making me 2 years. Today is I think 8th or 9th of January 2022. So you can see, just come here. So this is my profile. Come down. So this is how much I've earned from my tax. I've earned 132 naira. Average earn per tax. I have been able to earn 22 naira per tax. I've attempted about six tax, satisfied 6 tax. So I've actually done so well. So yeah, now it is in your profile that you can also see your referral address, and you get paid for referrals too. You get paid for a copy here. Click on copy. For every person that you refer to your account, they pay you for referring the person, and whatever tax the person is paying, you'll be getting 5% of whatever the person pay tax he makes. So I'll just come here, then I'll come to update my profile. Click on update my profile. Remember, we want to input our bank details. Come here, so you can see date of birth. Okay, you can see bank here. So if I want to change this my bank, I can just click on the drop down button, or I just change it to maybe first bank. You're going to see, you can see a first bank. Then I input my account number, my account name, the way it is in my bank. And once I'm done with that, I just click on update profile. So that's how easy it is to be able to input your bank details and make money with the Nairaworkers platform. So in all, Nairaworkers is a very legit platform. I've not seen where they withhold your money once you get to the threshold. And again, even if you perform a tax and the person doesn't pay you, you can report the person to Nairaworkers, and they would actually call the person, put the person to order, or maybe if he's not online, they'll call the person and make sure he approves your job. If they don't do that, you can also mail them, send them a mail, go here. They also have their platform. They're on Facebook, they're on Twitter, they're on Instagram. You can message them on Instagram. It's actually very fast to get a response from them on Instagram. If you don't, you can just come here to where you see this box here, email. Just get their mail. Let's do. Let me use Google Chrome. You can just mail them and tell them, hey, I submitted a job and I haven't been paid. So let's see if it's going to open. Okay. Let me see if it's going to. So once you come here, it's going to take you to their mail, and you can see here. So this is the mail of their customer care, hammer100@gmail.com. So you can just come, type what's the subject. I have not been paid for a tax I did. So you now come here and we write the message. I performed a tax. I performed a tax on maybe on the dates. You just select the date on the 9th January. 9th of January 2023, and today is 12th of January. And I'm just showing you, so maybe in case, because sometimes they actually delay. I have some of my students in my group who complain most times, and once you do this, they get their issues are resolved. So I performed the task on the 9th of January, and today is 12th of January 2023, and I've not been approved. Full stop. Please check your system. Please check your system and approve my work. Full stop. Once you do so, you just click on send, and the mail is sent to the customer care, and the customer care will respond to you. You have to also wait for 24 hours so that you can get response because they actually have several users. Those users will also send in messages like this. So this is how you can actually request for a quick response or approval of your job if you are not getting approval. So from what I said, Nairaworkers is actually a very legit platform. If you know what you are doing, you are consistent, you are performing the task online, you're making sure you are performing the task online, you can actually get paid. You can make that 1,000 naira or even more. You can see I showed you, or even more, with the Nairaworker platform on a daily basis. So you did video about a lot of it. Please do well to like this video, make sure you share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notified once I release more videos. The video is shown on your screen now. YouTube recommends this video for you to watch to be able to make money online. See you in my